Hello, ladies and gentlemen, crypto deep divers. Welcome back to Weekly Crypto. Today, I'm going to talk about Dogecoin. Also, I'll touch on Ethereum as well. So before we get into that, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out the upcoming video that could be time sensitive. Also, you can follow me on Twitter, library.tv, as well as Patreon. For my Patreon member, you can check out my videos, coronavirus whistleblower, I post a video. Also, there's something higher return than gold, must have vitamins during the coronavirus pandemic. Are we going to FOMO in the Tesla? And of course, there's a Tesla secret part 1 and 2. Should you get the coronavirus vaccine? Of course, there's a next Tezos. If you miss Tezos, there's another token has similar potentials just like Tezos. And of course, which gold and silver coin has high resale value? You can check it out. So if you're interested, you can join my Patreon group. And let's talk about, Cardano quickly. So everybody is so bullish on Cardano. Is they going to the moon, going to $1, blah, blah, blah. So when everybody talk about it, it's time to sell seriously. So when everybody is so bullish, so I think everybody is talking, hey, it's going to the moon, going to the dollar, blah, blah, blah. So when everybody in the YouTube channel talk about it so bullish, so it's time to sell, just like Link as well. Link is the same thing. So if you miss the train, wait until the next train, right? So don't FOMO into anything. Otherwise, you lose your money left and right. So that's my take on it. So let's talk about Elon Musk. So Elon Musk tweet about Dogecoin. He always tweet about making fun of Dogecoin. Anyway, so he tweet about something like Dogecoin standard global financial system is inevitable. So this is what his tweet earlier today. I think yesterday or today. So and then Dogecoin go up to 14% because of this tweet. So that is insane. Anyway, so people asking about his Bitcoin, if he still hold the Bitcoin. He basically, excuse me, I'm only sell Doge. And also back in April 2019, he talked about Dogecoin, maybe my favorite cryptocurrency, is pretty cool. And also in May, in response to J.K. Rowling tweet about Bitcoin, Elon Musk wrote, pretty much, although massive currency insurance by government central banks is making Bitcoin internet money look solid by comparison. Well, that is true because in Bitcoin, you only have 21 million, right? And 17 million already mined, and you have like around maybe 6 million already lost in the computer. They lost their computer, they lost their private key, so they cannot no longer retrieve the Bitcoin. So, and he also added, I still own 0.25 Bitcoin by the way. And right now, Tesla stock has been skyrocketing. Right now, it's at all-time high, 1,500. And at this rate, Elon Musk become the world's richest person in a few months. That is crazy. And right now, they are pumping. I think all this easy money, because of the printing press, all this money going to the stock market. So let me know what you think about this. His tweet, is always interesting. He tweet about like Dogecoin, seems like him making fun of Dogecoin. Anyway, so the next stock we're going to talk about Ethereum price, probably correlated to Bitcoin price. So right now, everybody, I don't know if this everybody seems like they anticipate there's a correction in terms of price of Bitcoin. Excuse me. So Bitcoin price has been like treading water almost like 9,000 region for the last 2 months. There's no volatility. I mean, not like in 2017, you have huge volatility in terms of Bitcoin price, right? All of a sudden, it can increase by 50% or 100%. It's a very common thing back in 2017. But right now, there's no volatility. Used to be Ethereum is also has a huge volatility. Those are considered high beta, right? So this is a chart based on how many days ups and downs since 2015. You can see the average percentage up or average percentage down used to be like 7.5%, 5.9, 5.9. Right now, you can see the gap is getting more narrow. It's like 2.5% back in 2018, 2% and less than 2% in 2020. There's no volatility basically. And in terms of the the return versus Bitcoin is like 2015 is 148%, 2016 is 283%, 2017 is 551%, and of course 2018 is the bear market, and 2019 is the bear market as well, and 2020 is 40%. So in 2017 is 500%. If you still remember, I think Ethereum was reached at all-time high. I think it's like almost 1,300, right? For the Ethereum per the price of Ethereum is 1,300. So right now, Ethereum is no longer a high beta coin. Right now a lot of altcoin, you can see a lot of altcoin, they are doing really well. You can see Cardano, Chainlink, and also a lot of DeFi related project like Compound. Those they have been high trading. I mean, they have high beta, those coin. And any project that has the DeFi, decentralized finance, they are basically like trading really high. Like look at this Kafka, like almost I don't know. I think it's from I think it's from 80 some cents go all the way to $2.42. There's a big pump in that. So this is a decentralized finance theme. So anything with a DeFi decentralized finance theme is a huge potential pump. So they're talking about that's the potential downsides of Ethereum because of the descending triangle, and of course it's going to break to the downside if Bitcoin going down, along with Ethereum will also follow suit. But the thing is, the crypto markets also follow the stock market, because if the stock market do well, the crypto will do well as well. And if you look at the commitment of trade for Bitcoin, right now you almost this is CME future contract. You can see a long and short position is almost this. I mean, it's not that the gap is not that the spread is not that big. It's only 100 contract. So you can see 6,300, 7,600. You can see long and short positions very similar. So that means the bull and bear, they are basically have some type of competition right now. So I don't know who will be winning at the end. It's pretty hard to tell at this time. In terms of Ethereum, the long position you can see is has been building up, and in terms of the short position, so the short position is not that remarkable. I don't think there's a reason to pump the price. I guess I could be wrong as well. I mean, right now the short position is not that high. There's no reason to pump to liquidate your short position, right? So let me know what you think about the direction of the Bitcoin as well as Ethereum as well. I mean, there's a lot of like, because this is such a small market cap, it's up to the whale how they want to play the game in terms of Bitcoin and Ethereum. And I think the next bull run will be the DeFi decentralized finance theme. Every coin right now they want to have certain of like theme like DeFi decentralized finance. They're going to pump to the moon. Even Cardano, they are going to the project is going to some part of the theme is also going to DeFi decentralized finance as well. So everybody want to get a ride from this DeFi concept. Anyway, let me know what you think about all this. I would love to hear from you as well. And by the way, if you haven't installed the Brave browser, you can check it out because it blocked the advertising, and also you can surfing the internet faster. If you're interested, you can click the link below and try the Brave browser. So let me know what you think about all this. It's interesting to see how it plays out. Everything is it's not up to us. It's up to the whale how they want to play the game, basically. Because this is such a small market cap in terms of cryptocurrency, so you don't need that big huge amount of money to move the market. I mean, you only need. I mean, if they are big whale, they can. And also another thing, there's another factor is like the Tether. Tether is the printing press version in the crypto market. The exchange and also a whole bunch of other the exchange, they also play a role how they want to manipulate the price of the market as well. So comment below. I would love to hear from you. And if you find this video interesting or helpful, smash the like button, subscribe to my channel. That will also help my ranking in YouTube, and I will continue to provide quality video for you guys. And remember, crypto deep divers, we the people take control of our money. Also share the video as well. Also you can follow me on Twitter, library.tv, as well as my Patreon. A lot of things I cannot talk about in YouTube anymore because it's so the nature of the subject is so sensitive. I can't talk about those things anymore. So that's why I need to put in the Patreon group. So if you're interested, you can join the Patreon group. And I'm not your financial advisor. Investing in cryptocurrency, commodity, and stock market can have inherent risks. Use your due diligence. This video is only for informational and entertainment purposes, not the financial advice. Please consult with your financial planner.